Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn how to prepare universal account number based ECR 2.0 text file for uploading so that you can pay EPF contribution through new unified portal. The new unified portal link has changed. Kindly log on to unifiedportal.emp.epfindia.gov.in/EPFO/ or you can also log in by going to EPFO's official website epfindia.gov.in and click the tab for employer and there pay online ECR. From there also you can go. The earlier ECR version was having 25 columns. Now the column number of columns has been reduced from 25 to 11 fields. Till now EPFO has not released ECR return tool how to make the ECR text file. So there is another method to prepare the ECR text file using Excel sheet that we are going to discuss. Kindly open an Excel sheet, give the 11 columns like universal account number. This is the 12-digit account number which has been provided to all the workers. No need to type the EPF account number now. The member name exactly as per EPFO's record. Gross wages is the wage salary which appears in the salary slip of the worker. Now EPF wage can be 15,000 or more, even more also, on which 12% of the worker share contribution is being made. And EPS gross wage maximum can be 15,000 rupees as Government of India provides subsidy up to 15,000 rupees. The new feature which has been added that for availing the EPF employees pension scheme membership, employer has to compulsorily provide the Aadhaar number and bank account number of the employee. The EDLI wage again which is maximum up to 15,000 rupees. The contribution is to be paid here. Then how much contribution is actually remitting. Now we have declared that what is the salary or wage in respect of employees provident fund, employees pension scheme and EDLI scheme, how much EPF contribution has been paid. This is the 12%, that is the worker share of provident fund contribution. Employees pension scheme contribution restricted to 15,000 rupees salary, and this is the 8.33% what employer is going to contribute again in respect of workers. Now the difference between that 12% and 8.33 what employer is contributing, that is 3.77% is to be typed in column number 9, and then you have to type the NCP days. That is NCP days is non-contributory period, that is the loss of pay which an employee has undergone in that particular wage month. And then refund of advance is to be written. If there is any refund of advance only in respect of EPF, only then it is to be typed, otherwise it will be kept no as 0. And kindly compulsorily feed the NCP days, if whatever the number of days where there is a loss of pay to the employees, to calculate the pension contribution correctly. If there is no loss of pay, then kindly feed the 0. Kindly don't keep it blank. After feeding all the data, what you have to do is you have to go to the save as file. You can give the file name and say there is a down below there is a save as type. In save as type, kindly go to the drop down menu and select CSV delimited. Out of the drop down menu says save as type is CSV file, then save it. After saving, kindly close all the windows and go to the icon which has been created out of the by saving the Excel sheet into CSV file. Kindly right click, open with, and then either you can use Notepad or WordPad. Here we are using Notepad or WordPad to open the CSV file. Once you open the CSV file in the WordPad, it will look like this. In that, what you have to do, whatever word is there, that whatever header line was there, that complete header line is to be deleted, which has been shaded blue in color here. Complete header line is to be deleted, and there should be no row left above these number files. This line belongs to individual employees. There should not be any row left above this, and your cursor should be at the fag end of the last line. Here the cursor should be at the last line. It should not be after the line. It should be at the last line. Once you having done that, what you have to do is you have to replace all commas, whatever commas are appearing here, with hash tilde hash. Tilde is nothing but a wave like structure which is present just above the tab button. How to get tilde? Kindly press the shift and button just above the tab button, you will get the tilde. Then that tilde comma is to be replaced by hash tilde has by pressing the shortcut to get this dialog box. Kindly press Ctrl and H and replace all. Once you replace all, then text file will get generated, will look like this. Kindly save this text file with the appropriate name, whatever you want to do. And now EPFO has launched a utility tool to check out what are the errors which this text file contains. If there is any error, the EPFO's utility tool will test it. How to download the utility tool? Kindly go to the unified portal-emp.epfindia.gov.in/EPFO, and then down below ECR utility tab is there. One thing I want to remind that in this new website also, you have to use the same old user ID and password which you were using at earlier occasions, and then kindly go to the ECR utility tab. Once you click the ECR utility tab, these files will get downloaded. Kindly unzip the file and then go to the ECR main. There are two ECR main, but you have to go to the ECR main. There it will be written type executable jar file. To read the executable jar file, you need to have the Java version installed in your software. If it is not in your desktop, if it is not there, kindly go to the Google and download the latest version of Java to use this. Once you click that ECR main executable jar file, there is a tab called import ECR text file. You kindly click the import ECR text file, and then whatever text file after creating hash tilde has, that you need to import here. Once you import here, there were two employees, if you remember. Then two employees, one was having valid data, one employee's data was perfectly fine, but in other employees data there was some mistake. So there is, whether this file is valid, it says no, and means no, it will be shown as red file. Kindly click the all red rows, and then once you click the red rows, the data will populate here, it will be shown here. Here you can carry out the necessary rectification. What are the errors? It will be shown here in a red color. It says that NCP days are invalid. So just to show an error, that we have typed an NCP days as more than 30 days. So it is throwing an error. That error we have rectified, we have made it at 0. Once you made it 0, then you can see the red color has gone. Now the file is updated and ready to be uploaded. To upload the final corrected file out after this ECR utility tool, kindly click the button export hash tilde has ECR text file. Once you click this particular export hash tilde has ECR text file in the utility tool, after clicking, whatever text file get generated, kindly go to this unified portal-emp-epfindia.gov.in/EPFO, log in with your user ID and password, which is the same as that we were using earlier occasions, same user ID password, and you can go to the payment tab and upload the file. Then the challans get generated. You can verify the challan, you can verify the text file once again, whatever is being shown to you in PDF form, and if you find it is correct, you submit it, and the TRR number gets generated. At this juncture, you have a choice either to save the file at this stage, or you can proceed to make the payment directly in that portal, unified portal itself. In that unified portal, there is a 4 bank which is authorized to collect the payment. One is State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Allahabad Bank, or Indian Bank. If you are having internet banking facility with any of these banks, you can pay directly. If you don't have, you kindly contact your respective Provident Fund office. Thank you. If there is any, kindly pay the Provident Fund contribution in time, that is by 15th of every month. Thank you.